I was like, we're doing something definitely fun.
So I've always tried to do something different and active for all of my students in PE, and being on American Enjoyer, that was like one of their favorite things that I could bring in.
Hard, I gotta say that, it was hard. Just like it would be on Enjoyer.
They're working on balance, core, over, under, and getting over their fear. A lot of them are like, oh, I don't know if I can do this. And by the end of class, they're like, Coach Dudek, I just did it! And they're so excited. That's my favorite part, is when they conquer an obstacle that they didn't think they could do, and they have that confidence when they leave the classroom.
And I used a lot of muscle in my body.
These are hard. These are hard. Woo!
I love it because I have students that don't normally participate as much, and this kind of brings out their physical activities, and they're like, you know what, I think I can do this, or I want to try this. So that's the cool thing, is that it's for everybody.
You got it. I got you. Okay? I won't let you go. There you go. Wrap your legs, wrap your legs.